just recently, Salman Rushdie was interviewed by Mishal Hussain for Bloomberg. I mean, of course, the guy is wrong. He's been fed, as he himself accepted, whatever knowledge I'm getting are from my friends and journalists in India. वो सब पता है कहाँ के होंगे, कौन होंगे. So I don't blame him. वो तो we are used to, पिछले 10 साल से यही चला आ रहा है. Not once did Mishal Hussain or Mashal Hussain, whatever this Pakistani, UK, British journalist.
Now, when you introduced her, the way you have introduced her,
right.
Why did you expect that she will?
नहीं हो सकता BBC किया अच्छा वो तो double introduction हो गया.
Again, you say BBC.
I'll just finish here about one thing. Mishal Hussein's grandfather was the original director of the ISI.
Oh, is that right?
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
Her maternal grandfather founded the ISI.
Oh my God.
He was the inaugural director of the ISI.
But I mean,
look, this isn't training.
Yeah.
This is agenda.
Okay.
So this is propaganda.
Yeah, should be. So I mean, I didn't know that first of all. I because she's BBC and all that, now Bloomberg. Not once did she say this is bullshit or this point is not right. What about why you being selective? This thing is wrong, that thing is wrong. What about other states where BJP is not there? Look at, I mean, for example, we will talk, I hope we talk about the Karnataka hate speech bill. Nothing's been more draconian than that in the last 15 years.
Let's go into that. Okay.
No, but I just wanted to make a point. So when journalists don't do that, you feel much more irritated than when panelists don't do it, because panelists का तो you ठीक है यार, उसको नहीं पता या उसका कोई
agenda है. Expertise लेके आते हैं ना. That's why they are invited, because they are expertise. A reporter or a journalist who's anchor, she or he is a general.
No, but in the same example, that's because you wanted to shit on India. But it's as simple as that.
But it is. I'll tell you why.
The point with Salman Rushdie is everything that's gone bad to him has not gone bad because of fanatical Hindus. And please don't edit this.
Unbanned his book.
Please don't edit this.
It's
gone bad because of fanatical people who follow their fanatical version of Islam. Don't edit this.
No.
This is the fact. Yeah. And if Salman Rushdie now comes and says,
but I have a lot of problems. I'll edit it because there is no fanatical version of Islam. But don't edit that.
No. क्या 2 kilo दूध वाला?
I think that as much as I'm against the BJP, what defeats my purpose of defeating the BJP is when people like this get the platform and then they are going all against BJP or this so-called right-wing narrative when they don't put in facts. And these are the people who get an opportunity, not people like me who can defeat it on facts. And it pisses off. So I agree with you that these journalists only want a select club who will say the same line which nobody believes.
True.
Can I just defend the anchors here? The anchors get people who sell.
Yeah.
If
That's
you remember,
the algorithm.
This isn't the algorithm. This is the NDTV model. NDTV used to run several of these shows. One was called Left, Right and Center and this and that.
Nidhi.
And
Nidhi used to run it.
It always used to be the most inarticulate buffoon on the right against the most articulate character on the left, with two Naxalites pretending to be the center. Okay, this is true. And what happened was everybody took on that model. Everybody took on that model and they changed it around to make it something else. Which is that you would get, they pick and choose. In Tamil, the word is vadigattana muttal. Vadigatti is Siv.
He knows.
No, I know.
No,
He knows.
He knows.
इसको edit कर देना.
ये कुछ नहीं जानता.
बाकी किसी को करो ना करो.
Nodding his head.
Vadigatti is a sieve.
Yes.
Muttal is an idiot. So a distilled idiot. Right? So they get vadigattana muttals from the left. And you know why? Because it sells. They come and say stupid things and it goes viral.
But why are you objecting to that? You also, no, 1 minute. You
अब जैसे विवेक श्रीवास्तव है.
One second.
You also tweet, you also say stuff on podcasts and you also come on television channels and say the most bizarre things.
Yeah.
It's to go viral.
But see,
and that's why you're there.
No, you're confusing.
इसका दिल ही है.
पर लोग इसको बुलाते भी इसी वजह से.
You're confusing virality with I am a professional maledictorian.
So I'm just returning all the food because I'm on a diet. So
this is unacceptable. भाई फिर मैं भी.
नहीं आप खाओगे. आप पतले हो आप खाओगे.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
I am a professional maledictologist. Okay, a maledictologist is one who studies the science of galis. Okay, there was actually a actual academic journal dedicated to my stream of study, which was called Maledicta. It started in 1977.
या पता नहीं कहाँ बात कर रहे हैं.
But I have to tell you this
दो तीन गाली दे
Okay, ये
short. I was on NDTV. I won't tell you the anchor's name, and the other side of the BJP.
When?
This was before the Adanis took over.
ये बताओ ना.
No, before the
पुराना वाला
पुराना वाला NDTV. अब वो बीजेपी
Disclaimer, we've all been on that पुराना वाला NDTV also.
अब वो बेचारे बीजेपी वाले ने सब अपनी बात रख दी. अब I was all ready कि मुझे अपने पॉइंट्स रखने. अब एंकर ने शुरू किया, एंकर साहिबा ने शुरू की, वही सारे मेरे पॉइंट्स बोल रही है, काउंटर कर रही है बीजेपी को. अब खत्म हो गया 2 मिनट के बाद उसको शी काउंटर बीजेपी. आई हैड नथिंग टू से, ऑल माय पॉइंट्स आर सेड बाय हर. So I said, ma'am, you only fight with the BJP, I'll leave. What do you say? It's true.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.